Being around all these criminals, it is too much. It is so easy to fool them. Everybody thinks I am a bad guy because I come from Germany. I was promoted because of an accent. Sit. Now, what is the mission?
I want to kill Hoyt.
Scheiße. Wait. You're Jason Brody, yeah? You finished off Voss?
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me? We must hide you. Hoyt will blow you into 1,000 Stücke. This will not be easy. You have become a victim of your own success, yeah? The natives attack Hoyt now. He has put up defenses. We must sabotage his organization or killing him will be useless. Yet Hoyt doesn't know what you look like. Only about these.
What are you thinking?
99999. Oder ja. Erledigt. You must enlist with the privateers. Also, no arguments. This is a two-man operation, and I need you on the inside. First things first. You must look the part.
How?
We steal a uniform. The new recruits are brought in and processed down by the docks. Find a recruit. Make sure nobody recovers his body. And steal his gear. Contact me on this frequency afterwards.
Hello?
Jason, did you make it to Hoyt's Island?
Yes.
You have nearly reached the end of the path. Citra is convinced that you will become the most powerful warrior in the tribe. All the Tatao will be yours. If you survive.
I guarantee it.
I knew it, Jason. To reach the center, you must let all the cares of your past life fall away. Only Citra and the path must remain.
I know what I'm doing.
Good luck.
Can't let anyone see me until I've changed clothes. kill anyone. Can't put them on alert.
Maybe needs a cold one.
Can't jump in the cenote, too risky.
You think I'm lying, but it's the truth.
I don't think you're lying. I think you're wrong, Mike.
You'll see. Time is my friend. It'll prove me right.
Everyone's your friend.
You're saying they're not.
Can't kill anyone. Can't put them on alert.
She better not be sleeping around. Sand and water. You know what sand and water is? It's called mud. Hate this fucking place. Why do I have to sleep in a shit? Gotta send some money home. Next paycheck.
Sand and water. Sand and water. You know what sand and water is? It's called mud.
Gotta send some money home. Next paycheck. Sand and water. Sand and water. What sand and water is? It's called mud. He's making more than me. He's making more than me. Man, why do I have to sleep in a shithole?
I should find a safer way in.
What makes you so sure about that? Stay sharp, rookie. I want you to miss it when I kill Jason. So, home turf advantage. This is my house.
Steady work.
The sleeves cover up the tattoos. Sam, I'm good to go. Guy's ID says his name is Foster, so how am I supposed to act?
Like a foster. Remember, be gullible. You must believe your own lie to sell it.
All right, Hoyt's coming in for inspection of his new men. Everyone line up for processing. Prepare for scanning. Clear.
How's it going?
Next, come on, move forward. All right. Let's go, let's go. Move it through. Are you clear? All right, next. You're good, Foster. Psst. You want to make some dough?
Fuck yeah, what do you think I'm here?
Local boss named Voss has just been killed. His empire's open for business. His boys are making money hand over fist, so why shouldn't we?
Well, what about Hoyt?
Hoyt's got bigger concerns. It's a fucking buffet right now, but the food won't last long, so might as well eat, right?
Damn straight.
Okay, go watch the speech. Hey, tell anybody about our conversation? You're fucking dead. Hey!
Paradise my ass.
Ah, my rosy-cheeked new employees. I'm not going to lie. We're all here to make a buck. But it's the happiness of my people that gets me up each morning. My father, rest his soul, was a diamond miner. Got up at the crack of dawn each morning, smoked a cigarette, and down into the earth he went. For that wonderful man, the company was God. I bring that same reverence to my humble business here. And I expect all of you to do the same. Now, there are only 3 company rules you have to follow. First,
Just 3 more
protect
weeks, then I
my
get-
product. You can fuck them, boys, but be gentle. Second, kill any native on sight. Finally, all profits go to me. I'm an understanding boss. But if you break one of these rules, furnace until your skin crackles like chicken. Right, enough talk. Those savages want to destroy my life's work. My pride and joy!
Island with dinosaurs on it.
Show them we mean business! Ah, I almost forgot. We have a special on this month. Your very own island. For the head of Jason Brody.
Damn bugs.
Sam, I just got off the boat.
Now you can walk among the privateers. But do not let them observe you doing suspicious things, like killing, strangling, bombing, electrocuting. Bluff them, Jason.
One of Hoyt's men offered me a way in. A group of traders planning to steal from Hoyt. I'm thinking I kill these guys. Hoyt trusts me.
Ah, yes, the Dresden Shuffle. The best choice. It would have been quicker to kill Jason Brody, but that is off the table, yeah? I have monitored the traitors from the inside. They've got 3 captains, one of whom might be carrying a rule sheet, logging all their members. Kill them, acquire the sheet, and I will make sure Hoyt knows what a good soldier you are.
Where are they based?
An old temple. I'll give you the coordinates.